lahat naman gentlemen first.
Hi, Opo. Alright, so this is your question. Since you're grade 6, English. Why is breakfast considered the most important meal of the day? Again, why is breakfast considered the most important meal of the day?
First of all, I want to thank you for the wonderful question. Because my answer is why you asked me why is breakfast the most important thing eating. Because breakfast is important because it gives you strength, it gives you energy po, and so you can play for example, you wake up very gloomy, still tired. When you eat breakfast, you became more energetic and playful po.
Breakfast is important since that, like for example, you have exam. If you don't eat breakfast, all you do while writing your exam paper is about food because you're hungry, and in the end of the day, you get you have low scores. That's all.
Thank you very much. Grade 6 per first